This is how you're going to change primary email on Google Workspace. This process requires admin access. So go to Google Admin Console, then head to your users. You can find it through your account. Now, once you head over to your account, you can see all of the domains that you already have here. So what you're going to do once you arrive in here is you're just going to click on change primary domain. Now, once you click on that, you're going to have to click on continue to confirm that you want to change your primary domain, and it will take you to this change primary domain page wherein you're going to select your new primary domain in this blank box right here. So all of your choices are going to appear here, all of your domains are going to appear, and you're just going to have to choose one from them. Now, once you have already selected one, you're just going to click on change primary domain, and then you're going to click on done after. So this one, it just tells you what's going to happen next. So as you can see, it can take up to 48 hours for your new primary domain to take effect. Your old primary domain automatically becomes a secondary domain. Now, once you have read all of that and you are sure that you really want to do this, you can just click on done. And that is it. If this cleared up the process for you, give it a like. And if you loved the video and if this video helped you, please give it a subscribe.